Have you ever wondered, how do emerging cloud storage companies stack up against the leaders in the industry? Well, wonder no more. Of course you've heard of cloud storage services provided by companies like Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox, as you should, since they are, well, without question, well-known and trusted brands out there. But they are not the only options available today, and we think that you should have a complete rundown of companies offering great cloud storage services before deciding. Now, in recent years, a few others have gained traction that should be noted for their performance, and they include Sync, pCloud, and you guessed it, yes, IceDrive. Hey, I'm Jason from the Cyber Lab, and I'm here to give you a thorough briefing about IceDrive and how it rates against more well-known cloud storage platforms. Your first question probably is, well, one, what is cloud storage? And two, why do you need it? You see, cloud storage is extremely helpful if you need to back up important files and make them easily accessible across multiple computers. We've all had those dicey moments when we've had to hope and pray for dear life that files were not lost due to some technical drama, right? And who wants drama? Yeah, that's what I thought. Now, bearing that in mind, leaders, show yourselves. So the big boys on the block are Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox, as most of you well know. If you don't know them, subscribe to us below and get the latest updates on what these guys offer. Okay, right, off you go. Come on, there we go. Such great. Now come the emerging, up-and-coming cloud storage companies. Come guys, don't be shy. Come on. Oh, they're so cute, eh? Here they go. Yes, here we are. We've got Sync, pCloud, and yeah, you guessed it, IceDrive. Today, though, we're giving you the deets on IceDrive. So pCloud and Sync, bye-bye for now. Thank you. Oh, we'll cover those for you too. But the star of our little presentation today is IceDrive. Before we get into the fine details, please go and check out the video description notes for a great discount for IceDrive products. You'll be glad you did. To see how IceDrive performs against the leaders, we'll quickly give you, in a nutshell, the best thing about each of its competitors. So, up first, Dropbox. Now, their service offers an exceptional storage and sharing capability suite and is widely recognized as an online backup service. With Dropbox, you can ensure the preservation of important files and eliminate the risk of permanent loss by securely storing them in multiple locations. And here, files are protected and easily accessible. Next, we've got OneDrive. With them, you can securely store documents, photos, and various files in the cloud, allowing you to share them with friends and collaborate on content easily. If you subscribe to their Microsoft 365, you can access 1 terabyte of storage and premium OneDrive features. Additionally, OneDrive for work or school provides online storage tailored to your organizational needs in a work or educational setting. Any of you have any experience with OneDrive? Please, what are the pros and what are the cons in your opinion? Share with us and our fellow viewers in the comment section below. Give back to the community by paying it forward. Thanks a bunch. So this brings us to the last of the big three, Google Drive. Google Drive is a free service for data storage, granting you up to 15 gigabytes of storage capacity to safeguard your crucial files, your documents, and your pictures. Leveraging the power of cloud technology, Google Drive securely stores your data on servers operated by Google, ensuring universal accessibility from any location worldwide. How familiar are you with these big three cloud storage companies? We'd love to know your thoughts. Please leave a comment below and let us know what you think about them. So, on to the up-and-comers, making some noise in the market. Up first, come on down, Sync. Sync allows you to designate certain files as on-demand or cloud-only, preventing them from automatically syncing with other devices. Instead, these files are exclusively stored in the cloud and can be manually downloaded onto other devices whenever required. This helps to conserve storage space on all your devices. As a special offer, for those who are interested in Sync, the Cyber Lab offers up to 30% off for a limited time only though, so please go and head towards the description section to get more info. Next up, we got pCloud. pCloud provides excellent data storage capabilities that are accessible anywhere, offering user-friendly features that make it simple for anyone to utilize and ensure the security of their data. Uploading and accessing data during meetings with clients is effortless with pCloud. Additionally, pCloud seamlessly integrates with other platforms such as Google Drive or Dropbox, allowing easy storage of files from multiple sources. If you're interested in pCloud and saving some money, the Cyberlab has secured a special 80% discount for you, our viewer. That's right, you heard correctly, 80%. So go check out the descriptions for details on this limited offer. And for the folks out there that have used pCloud before, please let our community know the benefits to their service. Help your virtual friends out. Which leaves us with the last up-and-coming company on the list, IceDrive. Come on, IceDrive. So, how does IceDrive stack up where it matters the most? Don't worry, we will break down the most important components to consider for IceDrive. Now, if you want value, IceDrive delivers and stands out because of its value. Users can take advantage of one of the most impressive free cloud storage options with a free account, offering a generous 10 gigabytes of storage space. That's right, folks. I repeat, 10 gigabytes of storage space. But wait, there's more. The paid plans offered by IceDrive are also pretty affordable, especially considering their substantial storage capacity and robust security features. IceDrive offers 3 premium subscription plans. There's Lite, exclusively available as an annual subscription, priced at $19.99 per year. The Lite plan provides 150 gigs of storage space. Pro is the next tier, granting you an impressive 1 terabyte of storage for only $4.17 per month or $49.99 per year. Now, this represents exceptional value for the amount of storage you receive. However, if your cloud storage requirements exceed this, IceDrive provides an additional plan to accommodate your needs. Lastly, there is Pro Plus for users wanting to level up. IceDrive's highest price plan provides a generous 5 terabytes of cloud storage for $17.99 per month or $179.99 per year. Now, considering the extensive storage capacity it offers, the Pro Plus plan amounts to a cost of only $15 per month. All of these complement the already generous free plan. Opting for a paid plan grants you access to advanced features, of course, and these include client-side encryption, ensuring enhanced security for your data. Paid users also enjoy additional sharing options, including password protection, link timeouts, and a convenient backup option for their mobile phone through the mobile app. Hey, you could do a lot worse. How much are you willing to pay for cloud storage services? Do you have a ballpark figure in mind? How low or how high will you go? Tell us in the comment section below. Now on to features. IceDrive, yes, may be one of the new kids on the block, but it provides some great features that are just as impressive as the leading cloud storage services on the market. The encryption is top-notch and practical, ensuring the safety of your data. Also, with their sync functionality, you can store files off your hard drive and free up some space on your computer. Note that you must sign up for a paid account if you want more advanced collaboration capabilities or client-side encryption. With a paid account on IceDrive, you can encrypt your crucial files, ensuring their safety and privacy. IceDrive simplifies the encryption process by providing a dedicated encrypted tab to store all your private files securely. Uploading files to this folder is as straightforward as any other folder there is. However, it is important to note that files cannot be moved to the encrypted folder once uploaded. Another great feature offered through IceDrive, well, they offer a virtual drive, which provides a seamless experience of interacting with your online files as if they were stored on your computer. And this means that you can perform actions such as moving, copying, renaming, uploading, and deleting files, all while ensuring that everything stays synchronized with the cloud. Furthermore, the virtual drive lets you preview and edit files using their native applications. Any modifications made will be automatically uploaded once you've finished editing. At present, the virtual drive feature is exclusively available for Windows users. Although macOS and Linux users can download and install IceDrive on their computers, the functionality remains similar to the web browser application. For those that have already got IceDrive, what are your thoughts on the virtual drive? What do you love about it? Hey, what could be better? Please tell our community in the comment section below. Where IceDrive truly shines is its file previews, which remain accessible even when dealing with encrypted files. To maintain file confidentiality, IceDrive securely transfers encrypted data to your computer. Once there, data is decrypted, allowing you to view the content exclusively. File preview is compatible with many popular formats, including video, audio, images, Office documents, and PDF files. It's pretty impressive, right? But wait! Hey, you guessed it! There is more! With IceDrive, you store previous versions of your files and can revert to any specific version within a 180-day time frame. However, the number of past versions you can access depends on your subscription plan. Paid users can access up to 10 past versions simultaneously, while free users are only limited to 5. It is worth noting that free users can only restore up to 3-day-old versions. Now, in terms of recovering deleted files, both free and paid users have a window of 2 weeks to initiate this process. However, restoring deleted files requires manual contact with IceDrive's support team. As of this date, IceDrive has not yet incorporated any integration with external third-party applications. Paid subscribers of IceDrive can create password-protected files and set expiration dates for sharing links. Moreover, you can utilize the Request Files functionality to permit external users to contribute files to a specific folder. IceDrive generates a link that you can then share with others, enabling them to add files as requested. However, it's important to note that IceDrive doesn't offer the option to set permissions for shared links, such as restricting who can download the file or specifying a limit on the number of downloads. Security. And that's where IceDrive truly shines. Unlike most providers that rely on the commonly used AES protocol, IceDrive sets itself apart by employing the two-fish protocol to encrypt all user files. According to IceDrive, this less widely known encryption protocol enhances security because it's not familiar to hackers, providing an added layer of protection. Trust me when I say this, it's exactly what you want in a cloud storage service. The ultimate security. Now, to enhance security even further, IceDrive provides the option of two-factor authentication. If you prefer a software-based solution, you can configure this feature using Google Authenticator, regarded as one of the top two-factor authentication apps. Alternatively, if you prefer a hardware-based approach, IceDrive supports the FIDO and U2F protocols, enabling you to utilize devices like the YubiKey. Additionally, users on a paid plan can enable two-factor authentication via SMS. So as you can see, IceDrive has all bases covered regarding total security for your data. Now, which security measures are an absolute must-have for you? What improvements could IceDrive make? Let us know in the comment section. Up next, we have privacy. IceDrive provides zero-knowledge encryption and end-to-end security to users signed to a paid plan. And when you upload files, they are immediately encrypted to safeguard against potential man-in-the-middle attacks during transit. Once files reach IceDrive's servers, they undergo re-encryption. Importantly, all encryption and decryption processes occur on the client side, ensuring you are the sole holder of the encryption key and the only one with access to your files. Now that is privacy. When evaluating a provider's design, its aesthetic appeal is subjective and it can vary among users. However, IceDrive excels here with its visually striking user interface design. It's beautiful, baby. The interface is sleek, it's modern, featuring matte gradients and cool blues and greens that align with its icy brand image. Moreover, IceDrive's clear interface design contributes to its user-friendliness. Every element is placed just so, and the functions operate as expected. The result? No learning curve to be had here, folks. A quick question. How much does the product layout affect your final decision? We want to know. Tell us in the comment section. Alrighty, so it's time to recap. As an emerging cloud storage provider, is IceDrive worthy of becoming one of the top dogs in the field? Well, let's consider the following. IceDrive is a cost-effective cloud storage solution tailored for individuals, prioritizing the security of your files through zero-knowledge encryption. And as a relatively new player in the cloud storage market, it delivers an excellent user experience and even allows you to preview encrypted files, enhancing usability and convenience. IceDrive presents a compelling array of features: effortless file synchronization across multiple devices and automatic preserving of previous versions for easy recovery. The seamlessly integrated desktop and mobile apps and the web interface provide a smooth user experience, while data transfers are relatively swift. Hey, and the service doesn't stop there either. IceDrive offers robust zero-knowledge encryption to ensure your sensitive data's security. IceDrive has enabled file previews for encrypted files, a rare capability among other cloud storage platforms, even the leading, more well-known companies. Although it does have some limitations regarding collaboration, when it comes to safeguarding your private files, IceDrive is your best bet. So, in closing, IceDrive is a top-notch alternative to the big three, offering remarkable affordability, a user-friendly interface, and enhanced security features. With its stunning design, robust security features, and the availability of lifetime plans, IceDrive stands out as an excellent choice for cloud storage. And last but certainly not least, IceDrive gives you more bang for your buck through its lifetime offer. So, are you sold yet? Well, look, this is the perfect opportunity if you've been considering this product, because in the description section below, you'll find some great discounts galore. Go check it out. Thank you so much for watching, but before you go, we would really appreciate your leaving a like below and sharing this video with your friends. Also, if you would like any other products or services curated by our team, please leave a message in the comment section down below. We also have a few other informative videos for you to watch and get the inside scoop on the latest products. Go have a look, they're everywhere. And until next time, take care, and again, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.